Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change where your EA games are installed on your PC in simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the EA app on your PC and make sure you are logged in here. Once you are on your home page, click on the three lines menu at the top left corner of the app. Then select on Setting. In the Setting windows, go to Download. Here you will see an option called Game Library Location or Install Location. Now click on Edit and choose the folder or drive where you want your future EA games to be installed. For example, you can select a folder on the D drive instead of the C drive. Once you select the new location, click Save. From now on, any new games you download will install in this folder automatically. If you already have game installed and want to move them, go to the location, go to my collection or library, find the game, right click on it and choose move game. Then select the new folder you set as the default location. The EF app will move all the games files safely without losing progress. And that's it. By changing the default install location in the settings and using the move game option for existing games, you can easily manage space on your drive and keep your games organized. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.